Hello my dear friends, welcome you to Pannu City World. While seeing the social science textbook, many of you may think, how can I cover this vast syllabus during my exam days? Don't worry. Here we are providing descriptions with the short notes which will surely help you to memorize the chapter smoothly and smartly. In this module, we will go through the chapter Resources and Development. Here we are going to discuss about what is a resource, which are the categories of resources, and how can we use our resources for the development of our nation. So let's start. What is a resource? A resource is something available in the nature. If so, whether everything available in the nature is a resource? No, definitely not. If a thing wants to become a resource, it should have certain peculiarities or qualities. Which are they? The things that can be used to satisfy the needs or wants of human beings, the things that are technologically accessible, the things that are economically feasible and culturally acceptable only be a resource. That means the things that are useful for us, useful for the human beings, that can satisfy our needs and about which if we have the technological knowledge, then only it will become a resource. Also, it should be of affordable cost. If a thing is not affordable or economically not feasible, it will not be a resource. And the last one, culturally acceptable. Every nation and place have their own culture. If we can culturally accept a thing, then only it will become a resource. Do you think a resource is a free gift of nature? No, resources are a function of human activities. We, the human beings, ourselves are resource. We transform the materials available in the nature into resources and use them. If we look at the triangle, we can understand the interdependent relationship between nature, technology and institutions. Resource is a thing which is under human control. That means only human beings can transform the materials or things available in the physical environment into resources. Then we should have the technological knowledge to use it. If so, with the help of different institutions, we can make use of it for our economical development. Then, what is a resource? In short, we can say a resource is a stick. That means a resource is a thing that can be used to satisfy the needs, technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Dear children, we can continue our chapter in the next module. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. So, we can see in the next module. Till then, goodbye.